Welcome to another great read aloud. Enjoy the story and be sure to subscribe for more great read alouds.
The Easter Bunny's Assistant
By Jan Thomas.
Hello, I am the Easter Bunny, and this is my assistant, Skunk.
Today we will show you how to make beautiful Easter eggs.
Step 1. Hard boil the eggs.
I'm so excited.
Skunk, what is that smell?
Oh, sorry. It happens when I get excited.
Please try to control yourself. Step 2. Make dye for the eggs.
Oh, look at the beautiful color. It's so exciting.
Skunk.
Sorry.
Step 3. Decorate the eggs with crayons.
Oh, I love decorating eggs. It's so pleasant and exciting.
Step 4. Remove skunk from room. Push if necessary.
Hey!
Step 5. Dye the eggs. Now you have beautiful Easter eggs. Should I let him help me hide the eggs? You sure?
Here are the Easter Bunny's directions for making beautiful eggs.
Step 1. Hard boil the eggs. Ask for an adult help. Put eggs in a saucepan. Cover them with cold water. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 9 minutes.
Step 2. Make dye for the eggs. Combine 1 teaspoon food coloring with 2 teaspoons vinegar in a cup. Add water to the halfway point. Step 3. Decorate the eggs with crayons. Have fun! Step 4. Look to see if there is a skunk in the room. If there is, remove it. Step 5. Dye the eggs. Gently place the eggs in the dye. Let them sit for a bit, then remove. Now you have exciting Easter eggs.